Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the world's thinnest micro voice recorder. It features a full 50-hour battery and a tiny microphone that's voice activated and even sensitive enough to pick up quiet noises at some pretty good distances. I've tested it in our quiet back room here and it can easily do 30 feet without a problem. The durable body style allows you to use this in a variety of ways, and the time and date stamping allows you to keep track of recordings. Now next up, I'm going to show you how to start and stop a recording and even give you a quality demonstration on how well it can pick up audio.
Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration on the world's thinnest audio recorder. I'm actually hiding it behind a normal size business card. That's how small and thin this recorder actually is. Now we're going to do a couple of different tests for you in our store today, and to do those tests we have to start a recording. Now this recorder is capable of recording in two different modes. You have continuous recording and voice activation. I'm going to show you how to do voice activation first, okay? So all you do is there's an on-off switch right here, and then you have buttons across the top. So to start the recording, you slide the switch on, and then you hold the minus button for a few seconds until you see a blue light start to flash, and then you let it go, and that does voice activation. Now for our test today, we want it to record continuously. So let me turn the recorder off, and then I'll show you in a second how to do continuous. It's very simple. So again, we go to a tight shot, and all you do is slide this switch until you see the red light turn on, and then it'll start to flash a few times, and when it's done flashing, it started the recording.
Okay. So now all of the audio you're hearing currently is actually being captured by the device itself. Now our storefront here is 20 feet wide by 30 feet long. Now the first test we're going to do for you today is a conversation test, and for that test I'm going to put the world's thinnest audio recorder in my pocket. How you doing, Kenny?
You're great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of our recorders. This is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. So for our next test, what we're going to do is a distance test. For that test, I'm going to hand the world's thinnest audio recorder to Kenny. Okay, so this is a test at 10 feet. This is a test at 20 feet. And finally, a test of the world's thinnest audio recorder at 30 feet. The built-in 8 gigabytes of storage allows you to store up to 90 hours of audio internally. When it comes to recharge the battery or listen to the files, you simply plug the world's thinnest recorder into your computer using the provided cable. Now, although this works with both Windows and Macintosh computers, you do need a Windows-based computer to set up the time and date stamp. Part of what makes Spy Center truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.